Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Gemini, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Gemini. So, these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, guys. Gemini. If you want more clarity, Gemini, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So you can stay tuned for that. So let's see what are these cards first. We have King of Pentacles, Ace of Wands in reverse, and Star in reverse. So Gemini, you are someone who's really talented. You have a lot of experience and people come to you for your guidance or ideas, support maybe. And you are really skilled, intelligent. You are someone holding an important position in life, in your work situation. Maybe you are a team leader or a manager, someone in a very important job. So you have people working with you and you hold a lot of authority and power, and in life you are someone who's well settled, who has achieved certain dreams and goals for yourself, and you are happy and content with the way things are going in your situation today, guys. Gemini, and there are some new beginning coming towards you, guys. Maybe for some of you it may be a new beginning in love, a new person coming interested in you, or you are proposing to someone new, or you are seeing someone interesting in your situation. But you may be proposing to them, but they are not giving you the affirmative answer, maybe for some of you. So you still don't know what is in their mind, whether they like you or not, or whether this relationship will move in a positive way. So some kind of uncertainty is what I see, lack of clarity of what is there in this person's mind, whether they are interested in you or not. So some kind of lack of clarity in your situation, guys. Gemini. So, and also they are not revealing their heart, whatever they truly feel. They are not willing to come out. Maybe they are not ready for an answer, even they are thinking, maybe, guys. Gemini. So they are assessing the situation, whether they want to be in this connection with you or not. So they have not made a clear decision. That may be the reason. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have Six of Wands. So maybe I see for some of you this relationship may take off, guys. You may find this person coming to you, telling you yes, and you are celebrating this relationship, celebrating this new bond, this new love, and you are happy for the way things are in this relationship. But you should not forget, maybe if you had help from someone helping you in this connection, helping you to bridge the gap you both had. Maybe your friends, they were suggesting you, giving you ideas. You should not forget those friends, guys, who have helped you in this connection, in this love, Gemini. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It's Nine of Pentacles in reverse. So maybe in your career situation there are some delays, suspensions, something not, working out, maybe something is missing, you may feel. So you may see some delays or some project suspensions in your work, guys. So things are slowing down in your career situation, Gemini. So that is what I see with these cards, Gemini. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the Pick a Card Love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Gemini. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. So this is your first card and this is your second card. You can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's start the reading with the first card here. I will keep this card aside. So let's see what is the card for you all, guys, for those who chose this first card. It is an angel card, guys. So whenever we get an angel card, it just means that angels are here guiding us today. So with this angel card, this angel stands for beauty and enlightenment, and this angel assists us in seeing the beauty in the world around us, finding happiness and joy through our own unique creative expression. So in the world around us, we often see so much ugliness, and this angel is here to make us aware of the things that are beautiful no matter what in our situation and appreciate that, guys. So when we lack that spark in our day-to-day life, we feel bored, we don't feel like doing anything, or we feel stuck, unable to think with clarity or point out or identify what we need and what is our dream or goal. When we lack that inspiration, when we lack that spark, this angel is here guiding us, helping us, giving us the answers, clearing the fog, making us see our circumstance with clarity in our day-to-day life, and bringing awareness in our situation, guys. And that awareness is going to make us realize the beauty of our world. Often we lack inspiration because we do not see, we are not aware of the beautiful things that we have, and maybe some creative blocks we have in our work or even in our relationship, whatever it is. This angel is here to guide us, give us ideas and opportunities, making us more inspired, confident in ourselves to move forward positively in our life, guys. So all you need is inspiration, guys. That is what this card is about. So maybe you can do things that you love to do, maybe. So due to some reason you do not find time to do the things that you love to do, but when we take up activities we love to do, we really feel refreshed, rejuvenated and inspired, feeling confident and happy in our own self. So when we are in that spirit, we are going to relate that in our day-to-day life. That is this card meaning, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, let's see what it is. It is orange calcite. It is an crystal spirits card, guys. So with this card, the energy is that maybe you are at your creative best today. You are bubbling with energy, confidence. You want to take up something new in your life. Maybe you want to what to say, you are on the path to healing yourself from the past. You are feeling creative, you want to express yourself, and you are having intuition or some kind of inspiration in your situation. You want to do something which you love to do. And maybe for some of you, you are moving towards something which you love, something which you are really passionate about. It may be in your work situation or even in a relationship, or it may be some hobbies like drawing, painting, singing, whatever it is, something which you are really passionate about, and something which is going to channel your creative energy, guys. And you are going to help yourself, help your relationship change, become more healthier, become more satisfying because of the way you are. And your relationship is evolving, guys, positively, and your creative energy is at the peak. And if you are working with this other person in this relationship, maybe inspiring them, maybe with your love, or they may be inspiring you with their love towards you. So you are feeling powerful together, having that inspiration when you are with them, and it is taking you towards a deep intimacy, harmony, and you are building the trust you both have with each other, guys. And this is the time for you to build a strong, meaningful connection with this person. And it is also the time for fun and playfulness, being really creative, being spontaneous, having fun, having a lot of humorous time together. So this crystal spirits card stands for that, guys. And it is the card that stimulates us to give up our shyness and be playful and creative, and giving us the strength and courage that we need in our heart to be free with the other person, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.